You tell us. You tell them what we're doing.
Me?
Yes.
Well, what kind of fish are you making?
Fish.
Do you remember what kind of fish?
The fish is fish.
It's barramundi.
The fish is fish. Fish is fish, and fish is always gonna be fish.
There's so many different types of fish, though.
I know, but fish is still fish. And
Okay.
fish is always fish.
Okay. So what are you doing now?
Fish.
Cutting.
Cutting what?
Cutting. That's what I'm doing. I'm cutting.
Right. It looks like your rice is starting to boil. So what's your next step? Turn the heat down first. Turn it way down. There you go. And let that simmer. And then all right, crush it all up. Good job. So what's your next step, say? Is one of the dogs about to have a pepper?
The boss got to video gets pepper.
I don't think Mocha's gonna eat it.
You might need Mama's hands. Dude, Mocha won't eat that. Mom, can you borrow your hands? Our hands.
Hey, there you go. You gotta get it all the way in the pan, son. You might have to scoot it over. There you go. You got it.
So when it's done and I flip it instead of
It said
flipping
3 to 4 minutes on each side, so you can set a timer if you want to.
set a time for 3.5 minutes.